Hey, today we're gonna see how to record your video and audio file using Zoom. For first, you could just open up a meeting and please remember that you can record just yourself by creating a meeting on Zoom. And to change the settings on recording, you please click here on the settings right here. And when you click settings, go to recording. And in the recording, you can choose to store your recording at any location on your computer. This is for the free plan. If you have a paid plan, you could use cloud. But like if you want a high quality recording, I would suggest you to use Pepper Cloud, which I use to record all my videos on YouTube. And you could also record a separate audio file of each participant. You could you could add a timestamp to the recording, and you can also have a temporary recording files in case if you lose power or like if something happens while you are recording, it will be saved in your temporary recording files in this location, so you can take it. And let's start recording. uh, click click recording here, and it will say recording in progress. And in case if you want to take out some sensitive information while you are sharing your screen or recording, you could just like pause, and you could open anything, but it won't be recorded, it will be just paused. And you could just once you, once you are ready to record again, you could click resume recording right here. And once you are done with this, you could just click stop recording. Before that, you can see my voice has been transcribed in English. You can do so with the transcript. Who can see this transcript? In this button, see live transcript. You can have live transcript by enabling this option. If I disable, you won't be able to see any more transcription. If I enable this auto transcript, you will see everything I say in letters at the bottom. All right, that's pretty much it. Once you stopped recording, it will be stored in this place. Like I said, see, it will be stored in this location, so you can retrieve them. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.